Something that gets my attention is a PDF. You see, a PDF is so simple. Think about this for a second, right? There are people selling PDFs all over the place. I keep seeing them on my feed, and I keep seeing that they're making like $47 sale, $47 sale, $47 sale, $47 sale, $47 sale. That's in a day, right? Now imagine if you had that kind of stuff coming in. That would solve a lot of problems, right? If you could generate, let's say you could do 10 PDF sales a day at $47, nearly $500 a day coming in, right? So like 15 grand a month. Would that make a difference? Yeah, of course it would make a difference. It would make a difference to anybody, wouldn't it? Unless you're really minted, it's going to make a difference. But how can you do this? Is it complicated or is it not? Well, of course, nowadays we've got AI, right? So we can create stuff. If we have an idea, we can even use AI to give us an idea. And then we could go to Google Docs, for example, and paste the information in there. And then we could just download it as a PDF. And we're done, right? We've got a PDF. Now, a PDF will, in order to sell, probably needs to solve a problem. Right, so if it's solving a problem, then there's going to be demand for it. But interestingly, there are many other ways that you can make money with PDFs these days. And in a program that's just launched, they're giving away the secrets to 7 that they've tried and tested that work. 7 different ways, completely different ways, using PDFs to make money. Right. That got my attention, and that's why I'm bringing this to you here and now. Now, when I first started my business back in, back in 2016, 2017, that kind of time, right? I was selling a PDF. My first big launch was Pimper, and it was a PDF. It was priced just over $7, and that's continued to sell to this day. And we've done over $45,000 with that PDF, right? That initial launch. Just like it keeps selling. So this stuff works. And one of the big things about this, one of the real beauties about it, is you don't have to do this. All right, if you don't want to get your face on camera, if you don't want people to see your face, hear your voice, and you just want to remain anonymous and be faceless, PDFs are the perfect way to do it. So look, I've got for you today the PDF cash printer, and the cash printer inside the members area, there is a ton of value in there. There's a lot of good information, but there are also 7 modules where they break down 7 different strategies for making money with PDFs. It's all extremely easy to follow. I've just been going through the training there, step by step. It's going to show you what these secret strategies are that they've been testing, so that you can literally just jump straight in and use them. All right, everything's covered in there, the traffic's covered in there, also AI tools are covered in there, multiple streams of income, and smartphone income blueprint as well is in there. There's a ton of stuff in here, and for the price of this, it's insane value. But of course, you're going to get a Spoil You bonus bundle from me. So pick this up through me today, and I'm going to give you the following: the very popular email cash machine program and all of the upgrades. All right, you're also going to get high ticket PDF, extremely popular, and all of the upgrades. You're going to get Wi-Fi passive income streams and all of the upgrades. And I'm going to give you the vendor's latest release before this one, which was automatic money loophole. I'm going to give you that and all of the upgrades. Now this is worth in excess of $5,000, and I'm giving it to you free. All right, you're going to get access to this immediately when you pick up PDF Cash Printer through my link. And all you need to do in order to check that you are going through me is on the actual checkout page, down the bottom, you'll see that the affiliate, you'll say referred by Trevor Carr. All right, as long as you see that, then your bonuses will be ready and waiting for you inside your JVZoo account. So once you've purchased the PDF Cash Printer, all you need to do then is log into your JVZoo account, go to your purchase history, access PDF Cash Printer, and there you'll see a blue link, an affiliate bonus link, and that will say Trevor Carr's bonus bundle. You click on that and you're going to get instant access to all those bonuses worth thousands. All right, it's the biggest no-brainer ever. But look, guys, you'll be getting the PDF Cash Printer, so you're going to get those 7 secret strategies for making money, faceless money, with PDFs. And as I said, they're dead easy to create these days. It's never been easier. This is just so easy. Even my cat could do it if she could type on a keyboard. All right. So look, don't hesitate. As always, because this is such a big, valuable bonus bundle, I can only give away so many. All right. So I've got a strict limit on 50 bundles. and they've already started going because I mailed out before I did this video. All right, so don't hesitate, go and grab this now and let's make some money. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.